check this out. This is what we call real winter road in Canada. See those piles of snow? Nobody's plowing. 2 o'clock in the morning. Try to make it to the rest area, which is 34 miles away. So basically we're gonna have to drive through 34 miles of this. Hopefully it's gonna stop somewhere, but the snow has been falling for the last, I don't know, 4 hours. So yeah, and it's only getting worse. It's only getting worse. Look at those mountains of snow. It's crazy. Road isn't closed. You can drive however you want. Nobody would care. So if you get stuck, you get stuck. You're pretty much on your own at this point, you know. So yeah, look at that. Just so much snow. It's crazy. I can only imagine what would have been if this was in California. It would have been just a wasteland. Nobody would pretty much dare to drive anywhere. So yeah, this is a real winter. This is Yukon territory in Canada. Insane, and I don't think the snow's gonna stop for the next maybe 5-6 hours. So who knows? Only God knows what's gonna happen next. So yeah, I think it's been an hour, maybe less, about 45 minutes since I've seen the car pass by, and that guy was literally just creeping down the road. But yeah, this is crazy. This is crazy. I can't even turn on my high beams. This is my high beams are on. Yeah, otherwise it'd be harder to drive, harder to see. Yeah. Oh, well, it is what it is, you know? It's part of the job.